So meditation is miraculous, as meditation is giving this holistic benefits. You also said many times spiritual science is the root of all sciences. So it's got a broader meaning. So please explain, sir. Meditation is miraculous, as spiritual science is the root of all sciences.
My pranams to the whole world and all the gods who are residing in the human bodies. We are all gods residing temporarily in the human bodies. That is the truth. A god is an eternal being. A god is a chip of infinite being with infinite capacities. And we are all gods living temporarily in these human bodies. To understand this fact and to experience this fact, to make it our own knowledge, we need a technique, we need a practice called as meditation. Let me repeat again. We are all pure gods living in these temporary physical human bodies. A god is an infinite being, an eternal being with infinite capacities and abilities. And we are pure gods come into this physical body to make this instrument called as the physical body a better instrument in itself, and also a better instrument for our own further growth, the soul's further growth. As gods, we create the body, we maintain the body, and when time comes, we dissolve the body. We are the creators of this body, we are the sustainers of this body, and we are the eliminators of this body too. We are pure gods, and to understand this, we need to do a lot of meditation. Through the process of meditation, we realize our own godhood. That is the purpose of meditation, to realize our godhood. Aham Brahmasmi, that is the statement given in the Vedas. And Tattvamasi, you are that. I am that and you are that. Moses heard on the high mountains a voice, and when he questioned the voice, who are you? The voice said, I am that I am. That is the statement given in the high mountains, heard by Moses. I am that I am. Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi is the same thing. And to realize that, there is a process called as meditation. There is a discipline called as meditation. Meditation is meant to realize our own godhood. That is the aim of meditation. But during the process of meditation, there are many byproducts. The first byproduct is that the physical body becomes, the physical instrument becomes flawless. The physical body becomes healthy, energetic, dynamic. And further on, we realize a sharpening of our mental faculties. We observe a greater mental concentration power within ourselves. We get a greater clarity in our mind as to what is the truth, what is not the truth, as to what is good and what is not good. Finally, we will realize the purpose of our visit onto this earth planet in this time and in this body, in this time and place. We realize our specific purpose. First of all, the first byproduct is the health of the body. The second byproduct is an increase in mental faculties. The third faculty that happens is that we understand our specific purpose in contribution to the whole world in this particular visit, in this particular lifetime. And finally, the fourth one, we know how to exit this world also happily. The cosmic show goes on forever, but the temporary show, an episode, ends when we decide to leave this physical body. An episode ends and another episode begins. The real purpose of meditation is to find out our own Godhood. The statements, I am that, you are that, I am, all mean the same thing. The truth is the same for everybody, and the process to arrive at the truth is the same for everybody. The process is called a meditation. So, people who are deadly serious to know their own truth, I invite them to me. I want candidates who want to know, who want to realize their own truth. Such people are candidates for practice of meditation. It cannot be a choice of every Tom, Dick and Harry. You have to be a Nachiketa. You have to be a Gautama Siddhartha. You have to be Mary's son to be a candidate for meditation. Meditation demands deadly sincerity and deadly seriousness. The process is very simple. Just closing the eyes and observing the breathing. The process is very simple, my dear friends. Sit happily. Close your circuit in the hands. Close your circuit in the feet. Give rest to the back. And close your eyes. And begin to observe your breathing. That is the process. But to realize your own Godhood, you require a lot of sincerity, tons and tons of sincerity, and tons of seriousness. Deadly sincerity and deadly seriousness is required. As much sincerity, as much seriousness as a Gautama Siddhartha, or the son of the Mary, or a Milarepa, or a Kabir, or a Guru Nanak, or a Vardhaman Mahavir. There are examples of tremendous sincerity and tremendous seriousness. We have to emulate them. And that's what is PSSM, Pyramid Spiritual Society at the moment. I am looking such gems who will be candidates for meditation. Like a Ramana Maharshi. What did Ramana Maharshi do? Just to realize his own self. He dedicated the whole of his lifetime sitting in the mountain. The process is very simple, but Himalayan amounts of sincerity and seriousness are required to realize one's own Godhood, and that is the purpose of meditation. To realize our own purpose, our own true purpose, to find out what we are, that we are pure gods living temporarily in these physical shells. While you are in the process of meditation, so many byproducts come. Every byproduct is a great thing in itself. The first byproduct is the health of the body, energy in the body. The second benefit is the sharpness of the mental faculties. And third is the realization of our specific purpose in this particular lifetime. And of course, the final thing is we are all gods. You are one God among so many other gods. As gods, we are eternal. We are timeless, spaceless, and beyond situations beings. And that is pure bliss. When you understand that you are a God, that's pure bliss. Meditation is for everyone, whoever wants meditation. Music is for all those persons who want music. Sports are there for all those people who want sports. Similarly, meditation is for all those people who want meditation deadly, with great seriousness and sincerity. If you are a candidate with such sincerity and seriousness, of course you are a candidate for meditation. And you will achieve your goal. You will realize that you are a God. Once you realize that you are a God, then you will live like a God in this earth planet. You will live like a God in this human body. I pray for everybody's godliness. I pray for everybody's steadfast efforts in meditation practice. Thank you very much.